Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah, today my kind bro Mr. Faisal with me, and Alhamdulillah they make this Unimog camper. Inshallah, each and every feature we discuss with my kind bro brother Faisal. So I didn't know too much information about I know about mechanical, but camper is their field, and Alhamdulillah they have here garage specially deal with all types of campers, freedoms over land. This is the Unimog, and this is now the part of our also team Unimog Dubai. So inshallah today we have little detailed review regarding to this camper, what's feature inside, each and everything. My kind bro inshallah tell us. Inshallah, let's start. MashaAllah, this is 1986 model 416 series. So Alhamdulillah, this is their outlook. One of the most important thing for camper is electricity. So which types of electricity units they install. This is the area. Brother Faisal, kindly tell this.
This is where the battery will go, lithium battery.
Yes.
It is a 24 volt 200 amp lithium battery.
Okay.
And that is the solar charger MPPT that comes from solar panels.
Okay.
And that is the DC to DC charger that comes from the alternator.
Solar panel is on the roof of
on the roof of the yes.
Okay, mashallah. And here?
And then these are all the output components. That is the inverter charger that converts the 24 volt power to 220 volt power.
Okay.
And this converts 24 volt power to 12 volt power in the fuse box.
Yes.
And that's a common distributor.
For
all the output. Yes.
Basically, this is 24
volt system. Yes.
24 volt system, and Alhamdulillah they give 3 outputs. You also use 24 volt, you also use 220 volt, you also use 12 volt. Many equipments, run on 12 volts, 220, so 3 options: 24, 12 and 220 volt. 220 exactly AC, I think.
Correct.
AC current supply.
AC, computer, charger.
Yes. And 24 and 12 volt are, DC source. So this is the outer look of, Alhamdulillah, outer look of this camper. So Alhamdulillah, this will be, this folds. Yes, mashallah, this now folds easily. Alhamdulillah, this easily fold, and this one going down this roof. So Alhamdulillah, check, this will be easily fold down. So Alhamdulillah, too much easy. Yes, mashallah. This balcony. You park anywhere in sea or beside sea on beach, or you park on the mountains. So Alhamdulillah, this is good experience. So inshallah, now we give you the review internal. Inshallah, this is their side, and these are foldable stairs. From this side here, one door and one window is also available. So now inshallah we give you the review inside. So this is the internal look of this Unimog. Alhamdulillah. You check, mashallah. This is foldable bed, and we put this here.
This is the wrong one, sir.
So I think two people easily. Two people, and this is also foldable.
This comes down.
And this, from here we pick this and come here, and then we hang this with this string here.
Yes.
This is the exact position of this. So alhamdulillah, in some critical situation, maybe 3 here and 3 upside,
The two in front of
and 2 in front of this, rooftop here. This is upside of the cabin, alhamdulillah. So inshallah, now we are folding this. And Faisal bhai, what's their length?
What length? This?
Yes, from here up to here.
It's about 4 meters.
4 meters. 4 meters is the length up to here. You check. This corner 4 meter. 4 meter mean round about 15 feet their length, alhamdulillah. This is 15 cross 7.5 feet. This is room. This I think 7.5 feet.
2 meters.
2 meters. 2 meters. This is 6 feet their width. So here we show you. These are the cabins. 2 cabins here.
Not closed, yeah.
And this is the refrigerator. 12 volt, 24, 12 volt. And this is the washroom, wash basin, even shower. And what's the water tank on the roof?
No.
In the bottom. And I think
375
there is some electric motor also.
Pump.
Electric pump, water tank is downside, and their electric pump is also there. So alhamdulillah, this is the AC. I think dual AC
Engine.
engine,
Powered by engine, yes.
powered ride engine. This is AC. Same, I think one AC inside.
Inside, yeah.
Dual AC. So alhamdulillah, this is driven by engine. So also we can use this on UPS.
This one on UPS. Extra, not yet installed.
Yes.
It will be installed.
Next one, inshallah, we are installing. It will be operated with the help of UPS. So this is the view. You check here. Here 2 people also easily sleep. Watch outside. Alhamdulillah. This is the clear look. So here they place a window, and there is difference between cabin and this camper is there is difference, and there is rubber just like to overcome, because cabin have different their own motions and this camper have their own motions. So these both are separate, so they use here rubber, foldable rubber. So they just like move, just like any train, metro having. So this, alhamdulillah, separate cabin as well as this camper. So alhamdulillah, these are the features. So this is here. Wash basin is also here. Alhamdulillah. So inshallah. Now I gave you the front look. And here there is upside roof, solar panel, and this one is stairs to go. This is the ladder to go upside. This is the sideway review of this, alhamdulillah.
So there too.
And this is the recoil spring, so you have no need to too much force to fold this. This is the recoil spring system is here. Same, if you see, this is shock is also here. It's need not too much force, they himself go upside. So this is the their maximum speed is 120 kilometers per hour. Alhamdulillah, this is speedometer, and this is fuel tank system. So this is power oil, and this is air compressor gauge. This is basically barometer. So these are the switch. This is engine start button. So inshallah later I make one video regarding how to drive 416 Unimog. Already I make one video regarding to 411, how to drive 411. So inshallah, here simple we show you. This is Faisal bhai.
This is navigation and Bluetooth. It's a little slipped out, but this is maps.
Maps, and this is
a rear camera, permanent rear camera.
Okay.
Because you cannot see back.
Okay.
So this will show you view of the back permanently.
Okay, mashallah. And this is here the view inside, This is the separation between cabin and camper, because both motions are different. Cabin their own motion and campers their own motion. So by this technique, we can adjust their motion. Cabin has their own motion and their camper is their own motion. So here's the gear lever, I think. This is the main gear lever, having 4 gears. This is high-low gear lever, downside low, upside high. And this is the forward reverse. Forward side, forward, it's moving, and back side moving. And this is the gear 4x4. Clockwise direction, first click, 4x4 is activated, and for second click drift lock will be activated. So alhamdulillah, later on I make one complete review how to drive Unimog 406, 416, 421 inshallah ta'ala. And here they install AC, and plus this is basically soft top, so they convert this into hot top, alhamdulillah. To be honest, alhamdulillah, this is my passion. I know, alhamdulillah, inshallah, this is world class, inshallah. They prepare just like world class camper. So alhamdulillah, too much beautiful. Many reviews of my German friend who belong to Netherlands, even Poland, Iceland. I sent him pictures. They alhamdulillah gave good reviews, alhamdulillah. Too much hard work of my kind brother Faisal, inshallah. So alhamdulillah, they done each and everything, alhamdulillah, this. So inshallah, hope in future they design much more good vehicles, inshallah. So alhamdulillah, now inshallah we put 3 Unimogs in this show, and this is the first time, I think, that we launch at a time 3 Unimogs in any exhibition of the UAE or in any exhibition of whole Arab. So alhamdulillah, so steadily these Unimog lovers are increasing in all Arab, also in UAE. So I have few friends, I am very thankful to him, which belong to Oman, and even one of my good friend Mr. Marzouk, which belong to Kuwait, and even one of my friend Mr. Khalid belong to Egypt. So 3-4 I have friend in KSA, Unimog lover. So alhamdulillah, so this is the beautiful gift for all moggers, alhamdulillah. And this alhamdulillah beautiful gift, inshallah, and whole credit is going to my kind bro, Mr. Faisal. So they make alhamdulillah this beautiful flower. So jazakallah khair, inshallah ta'ala. Meet you inshallah next video. Take care. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.